to my channel. So today I will teach you how to make a professional CV, or you can say resume, by using the Canva. Okay, so you can design CV by using Canva app for free. Okay, so here is its interface. So now I am within the Canva app. So you have to create account. If you don't have Canva account, so you have to create it for free. Okay, so then if you will create an account, then you have to open this. Okay, if you will come here, then this is your designs. Yeah, you can design anything. Okay, you can design thumbnail, but my today's topic is about a CV. So if you will click on the templates, then here you have to search out. Okay, CV templates, CV templates. If you will search out, then you can say here are many CV templates, so you can use these templates. Okay, so you can use them to create a professional CV. So you can create this CV within 2 minutes. However, it takes time to put your data into this CV, but this is a great template. Just you have to put your data into this template. Okay, so you can choose any templates. There are many free templates, and some are premium templates. So there are many free templates. You can see this is also free, this one is free, this one is free, this one is free. So you can choose anyone. Let's suppose I will choose this one. Okay, so this is a professional template. I think this is a bad one. Yeah, this is a free template. So if I will click on that template, then you have to click on this customize this template. Okay, just to edit it. You can edit in this way. So yeah, it is in front of you. So now you can zoom it, you can edit it, and you can add your own name over here. Okay, you can easily add your name here, and you can add your contact informations, education, background, skill sets, your say about yourself, what you are doing, what is your profession, and what job you are looking for. So here you will add up your work experience. Okay, so you can also use the references. So this is a great template. So CV and resume are same, but if you want to add up your hobbies and some additional things, so that is called CV. Nowadays both CV and resume work in the same way. Okay, so if you want to create a lengthy CV, then you have to click on this add page, then you can add here additional information. So if you will create a single page, it would be effective. Okay, when you will settle down in an interview, then you have to perform well there. So that would be great. Thank you so much, viewers. Please tap on the subscribe button.